Om Namaha Shivaya. There is a huge collections of rarest conch pearl from Indian Ocean. All are real rare conch pearl collected from Indian Ocean conches. Very finest quality will give successful happy life. Conch pearl will give successful happy life. You can see the Lord Shiva here naturally. All are real conch pearl from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You can make ring, pendant, even bangles, earrings. It will give very good positive energy. The conch pearl gives very good positive energy and remove all negative energy body and gives huge success to you. All are real natural conch pearl from Indian Ocean conches. In this you can see the Shivalingam image. See? You can see naturally Shivalingam image. All are rare and unique collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Real, rare, natural, genuine conch pearl collected from Indian Ocean conches. You can make earrings, rings, pendant, gives you excellent positive vibration and remove all negative energy from your body and gives protection from black magic and evil eyes and gives very good successful happy life. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.